sitting cat-cow. Cat. Cow, look up. Reach. Really stretch those obliques. When the beat drops, we're going to start marching. Knee,
never break,
up,
always fight,
crunch.
never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame,
To the side.
waste no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind,
Really squeeze
pick a
those
lane,
sides.
commit and climb, the
Now we're
only
gonna
way
twist.
to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean, and I bring it to
Keep
the mad
going.
light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel. I took the red pill, I know life's short, so I wanna live real. But how's it supposed to feel?
Suck in that stomach. If you ate breakfast, it's probably going to be hard to get it sucked in. But you should still feel those muscles working. Hold that in. Okay, we're going to do knee to hand, one knee. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, and switch. Keep going. Now we're gonna march.
They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games,
So,
I just do
really
this fact.
crunching
And
that
I don't
stomach.
feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I
To the
go
side.
crazy, nah bitch I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on the shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been
And twist.
chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To
You should
be
be
a
living your
legend
breath.
instead of something you can
Keep going.
forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread, with every word that I
And
say.
vacuum. Suck that in. Hold it. Hold that stomach in. You can take breath. Here we go. One knee. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ball change. Ball change. Ball change. You should be running out of breath. Ball change. And we're gonna reach again.